Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe someone, a famous person, that is a role model for young people. You should say who he or she is, how you knew him or her, what he or she has done, and explain why he or she can be a role model for young people. So as you all can see, there are 4 questions attached to this cue card and we need to make sure that all of these 4 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. So for a question like this, you can talk about any person who is famous, maybe a cricketer or maybe a musician or a singer. Okay, so now let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Role models can be community leaders or celebrities whom we look up to as they serve as a source of inspiration, encouragement, as well as motivation. And today, I would like to speak about the famous Canadian singer Justin Bieber, who is an idol for the youth. So, as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given the examiner a little bit of an introduction as well as clearly communicating to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to talk about. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, I first saw the pop singer performing at a concert held in Toronto in 2018 and since then have become a huge fan of his mellifluous voice. So mellifluous means beautiful or melodious. So we have used a better vocabulary word. Additionally, Bieber had debuted with his super solo song Baby when he was merely 15 years old, which caught attention not just in North America but all around the world as well. So, debuted means he made his first appearance. Solo means he was the only singer in that song. Merely means only. So we have used a range of good vocabulary words here. So you can add all of this to your vocabulary list and next time when you're practicing speaking, you can also use it in your conversation. Because using good vocabulary words increases your band scores for your lexical resources part later on. Alright, so let's continue. He is also involved in the songwriting process and co-writes a lot of his own music while teaming up with other songwriters and professional producers. Furthermore, the Hollywood style icon has his unique fashion quotient, having skater looks or wearing sporting western wear, which makes him even more popular amongst the youngsters. So as you all can see, instead of repeating the word young people, we have used a lot of synonyms like youth, youngsters, young crowd, okay? And we have avoided repeating the word that was already in the question. So you can add all of these synonyms to your list as well. Alright, so let's continue. Besides that, he has bagged a lot of music awards during his entire career and has been nominated several times for the Grammys Awards, out of which he bagged a couple of Grammy Awards. So bagged means won, past tense of win. So we have used a better vocabulary word here as well. Several times means many times. Alright, so let's continue. Finally, I feel that his outstanding talent, unparalleled dedication, sheer hard work, combined with his humble demeanor and down to earth personality, touches the hearts of millions and acts as a source of motivation for young people. So, unparalleled means something that cannot be matched. That means it is unique. Sheer means pure. So, humble means someone who is respectful. Demeanor means behavior. Down to earth means someone who is not snooty or snobbish. Okay. Also, as you all can see, we used a lot of connectors here as well, like moreover, however, although, finally, and all these will increase our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part later on as well. As for our fluency and pronunciation, which are the other two criteria on which you are marked upon, We made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between, and we also made sure that our speech was clear at all times. We did not do any kind of or any kind of repetitions in between. So all these will also increase our bands for a fluency and pronunciation part. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.